Welcome to MicroCare Medical, division of MicroCare Corporation dedicated to the medical device industry and built on a legacy of chemical engineering excellence. We supply some of the most advanced cleaners, carrier additives, coatings, and lubricants to medical device designers and manufacturers. We created the MicroCare Medical division to better serve the demands of medical device engineers and their project teams throughout the development and manufacturing process. We develop Duraglide lubricants and coatings with proprietary microdispersion PTFE technology and cleaning and carrier fluids that are non-flammable, environmentally friendly, and plastic safe. Visit the MicroCare Medical website today and learn how we can help meet your cleaning and coating needs. MicroCare Medical,